Hey guys, I got a treat for you today. You want to find out what it is? Meet me on the other side of this intro. We gonna make it. Whatever the mountain in our way, we gonna face it and move it, yeah. Ooh, we gonna make it, yeah. Inspiring, informing you, encouraging, connect with me and together we will see that we gonna make it, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, we gonna make it. Hey there, welcome to We Gonna Make It. Hold on. Okay, let's try that again. Hey, welcome to We Gonna Make It. How are you guys doing? I want to welcome you. This is a channel where we inspire, inform, encourage, and connect surrounding Ghana, my family's experience in Ghana. So I just want to welcome you. If you are new to the channel, if you are coming back, hey, welcome back. How you living? How you doing? I hope you are well. So today we have a treat for you. Literally a treat. I love trying new foods. I love anything that anyone would want to introduce, as long as it's, clean, acceptable for me to eat. I will give it a shot. And so here in Ghana, let me close my window. Okay, I'm back. So being here in Ghana, I've been introduced and invited to different cuisines that are delicious and that make, my taste buds go, whoa, what was that? And so I am exploring. And, if I taste something, I taste it. And if I like it, great. If it's like, oh, that wasn't so hot, then sometimes I like to try and do something to tweak it, so that I like it. But anyway, today what I want to share with you guys, this treat, is a food that I tried, and in its original way that it's cooked, I really like it. And the food that I am going to share with you that I tried is called Banku. Banku is a staple food that is eaten in Ghana amongst several tribes across the country. It's eaten in several different ways, and it's usually accompanied by tilapia, soup, different types of soup, stew, and meat and things like that. So here's what Banku looks like. For me, Banku has this flavor of fermented, like if you think about sourdough bread, it's like that, but it has a little bit of saltiness to it as well. Basically, Banku is fermented corn flour with cassava dough. It's mixed together and they add salt, water, and then heat it up in a pot and stir it until it becomes this doughy consistency. And the consistency changes based upon, I guess, either who makes it and whether or not you use all of those ingredients that I mentioned. Because some people use only corn flour, some people use cassava dough and corn flour, and then some people don't ferment their corn flour. So I've tasted Banku several different ways and from several different people that cooked it. I like Banku to try it. It tastes good. It's one of those dishes that complements other things well. Like you have the fermented, tart flavor of the Banku. You have the savory, salty fish, and then you eat those together and it's really tasty. Now, as far as the soup is concerned, I haven't had Banku with soup yet. And I don't know when I will, because I'm eating a particular way right now and the soup is very oily, but I do want to try it because I want to try it. So anyway, Today I am going to show you something that I did with Banku when I ate it. So Banku's usually served really hot and it's soft and it's doughy, and you eat it with your freshly cooked soup, fish, stew, and yum yum yum. But one day we had Banku and it was not hot. It was like lukewarm. So in order to heat it up, we would put water in a pot and then put a steam pot inside that pot and put the Banku in. Well, when it heated up, it would get like sticky and the consistency would change, and that would change the eating experience. So what my mom decided to do, she was like, I'm gonna try to heat it up in a skillet, because usually when we heat up our fish, we'll heat it up in the skillet. So she tried that, and oh my gosh, we weren't trying to like desecrate the Banku. We were just trying to find a way to heat it up. So I saw how she did it and I was like, ooh, that looks really good. So I went ahead and heated mine up the same way she did. And the end result was yum. It was so good. So here's what we did when we reheated our Banku. Have a look. We break it in half and then we flatten it like a patty. And then get you a skillet, like a cast iron skillet or whatever. You put vegetable oil in there, let it heat up, and then you put your Banku in there. Basically, you're pan frying the Banku. It's not drenched in oil. And then after that, let's say you're having your Banku with fish. Put the fish over the Banku that's cooking, and we let the juices of the fish get into the Banku. And then you cook it on one side, flip it just like you would flip a hamburger patty. So we crisp up the outside and then the inside's ooey gooey and it's so delicious. And then, you know, you add your seasonings, fresh green onions, fresh red onions. You just do it right, okay? You do it up. I'm going to share my eating experience with you because it was monumental. It was really good. So anyway, check this out. Okay, so I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to taste this and wish you were here, because if you were, you'd be invited to the table to dig in. But since you're there and I'm here, why don't I tell you what it tastes like? It's gonna be delicious. I already know it. So let's look at it.
Look at this. Oh my gosh, guys.
Look at this. Look at that presentation. Look what your girl did. Look what she did. Yes, she did. Except for I didn't make that. Yeah. But anyway, I'm about to eat this, and I'm going to eat it in the way that I see Ghanaians eat. I'm going to try. But look, don't tell nobody I got this little fork up under here, just in case things get a little dicey here. This right here is the traditional Banku, the way they make it before, you know, your girl upgraded it. And this is the pan-fried Banku. We got, you know, some veggies hiding in the cut. If it were up to me, I'd probably have a few more veggies. Not probably, I would. And then you got your lentils here, and then you got your tilapia made from a ta. Let's get into it, as they say. You get you some Banku. You roll it up, get you some of these lentils, and then you get some of these veggies, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get me some of this tilapia right here. So I got it all. Now I'm putting it in the juices. I was supposed to kind of roll this in my hand at first, but the technique is just not there yet. So then you go and then oh. Y'all look, this tastes better than the first time. First of all, that Banku in its original form is the best that I've ever tasted since I've been here to Ghana. I'm not lying. And it's just the perfect balance of salty and tang, tart. It's delicious. And mixing it with the veggies, those red onions, the lentils, and the tilapia, just all of that flavor infused into one. Okay? So now, I'm gonna go ahead and get me some of this other kind And don't worry about the fingers because it's just the way it's gonna have to be. So this right here, this is the banku that I pan fried. It wasn't really a fry, it was just like a saute to a crisp. Get us some vegetables. Do this again where we get us some lentils, that juice. Get this fish. There we go. We got this lovely bite. It don't look good, but it sure does taste good. Yeah. So where am I? Open wide.
Oh, boy. Y'all, they don't understand it.
I need some music right now. Okay, so for sure, that pan fried banku, that's the winner. It takes the flavors to a whole nother level. A whole nother level. And that's what you can do in your experiences in life. With a little bit of tweaking, a little bit of perspective changing, you can change the flavor of your life. Look at somebody, go ahead and look at somebody and say, that girl preaching. Say, that girl is preaching right now. I enjoyed spending time with you. I enjoyed sharing that experience with you. This meal, Banku, one of the staples here in Ghana. Hopefully you'll be around for more eating certain dishes and discovering new things here in Ghana. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single good time here on We Gonna Make It. So I want to be absolutely clear. There is nothing wrong with the traditional way that Banku is cooked. We just had to find a solution to heat it up and have it maintain its consistency that the traditional way of cooking it gives it. It's a beautiful food. I hope no one feels like I desecrated it by, tweaking it this way while I was trying to heat it up. But I do recommend you try it. In fact, I would like any of my Ghanaian viewers and subscribers to try it and tell me what you think. I don't want you to compare it to the original. I don't want you to do that. I just want you to tell me if it's on point, if you like it, if you like the consistency, if you like the flavor. Let me know. Anybody else can try it too, but I'm really curious about if any of my Ghanaian friends, viewers, if you would like it if you tried it. I'm ready to go ahead, finish my food, and when you come visit Ghana, get you some Banku and try some other things out. I think that you'll be happy you did. Just being able to expand your flavor palette and expand your experiences. While I finish this up, I'm going to say to you, wherever you are on your journey to destiny, please do remember, you, me, we're gonna make it. Peace. Look at this plate, y'all. What did she do? What did she do with it? Hot dog today. Hot dog today. I mean, your girl got a fork up under the plate, just in case things get a little messy. But, so being here in Ghana, I have been invited and, being here in Ghana, and maintain its firm. I'm telling y'all, my technique is just not, it's not where it needs to be. I'm telling y'all, my technique is just not, it's not where it needs to be. Okay, so there we go.